Hey, hi guys, welcome to Python tutorial. And this tutorial I will discuss about Python string. So first of all, what is Python string? Python string is nothing but a sequence of character enclosed in either single quotes or double quotes. So strings are used to represent text data in a program. So I am creating a string. Suppose I am taking this as a variable name, string1 is equal to what I mentioned, this string can be uh, support either single quotes or double quotes. So I will show you off in both way. So first I am creating in double quotes. This each first string, and one more. So just I want to tell you this is my string and this one string1 is a variable. So we are defining this string inside this variable in string1. I am defining one more string, string2, and now I am showing you inside single quote. This is second string. I hope you know that how to print a variable. If you don't know, I will tell you. Suppose I have a one variable and I want to get this variable output. Then we used a print function, print, and inside this parenthesis we will use. We will call this variable. So suppose I am keeping here string1. So inside parenthesis, once I will keep this string1, what will happen backend? This print function will call to string1 variable, and once it will go to here, what this variable is it will show you in output. Suppose I am calling this, so we are getting this is first string, right? Now I am giving second more variable here inside parenthesis, string2. So I will get this both output. This is first string and second string. Now I am going to run. So you can see this is first string and this is second string. I am getting here. And just I want to tell you one more thing. String is immutable. So once I will create a string, we can't change that. Thanks for watching.